I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Sonic key fob. First, confirm you have the correct key fob type, as designs can vary slightly. Next, you'll need a small, flat tool, like a flathead screwdriver or even a coin, to help pry it open. Finally, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery on hand, as you'll be replacing the old one. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Now, let's find the opening point. Look closely around the edges of your key fob for a small notch or slot. On many Chevy Sonic fobs, this is located near where the key ring attaches. It's designed for easy access, so don't try to force it open anywhere else. Using the designated slot prevents damage to the casing and internal components, ensuring your fob remains functional. Once you've found the slot, gently insert your flathead screwdriver or coin. With a slight twist, you should feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, but usually a gentle twist is enough to pop it open. Inside, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully pry it out, noting its orientation for when you install the new one. Now take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. This is crucial for proper function. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely shut. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.